Welcome fellow gamers. Today we are delving into a perplexing issue that has plagued many League of Legends players, the dreaded fail to connect error. We understand the frustration and disappointment that comes with being unable to enter the Summoner's Rift. But fear not, we are here to provide you with insights and solutions to overcome this vexing problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Understanding the issue. League of Legends, a globally popular MOBA game, relies heavily on stable internet connectivity for seamless gameplay. However, when encountering connection issues, players are often greeted with the discouraging fail to connect message. But what causes this hiccup in the digital realm? Number 1. Network instability. A shaky or unreliable internet connection can disrupt the connection between your device and the game server, resulting in connection failures. Number 2. Server overload. During peak gaming hours, when countless summoners are itching to enter the Rift, server congestion can occur, leading to connection difficulties. Troubleshooting steps. Now that we are acquainted with the potential causes, let's dive into some practical steps to troubleshoot and resolve those fail to connect errors. Number 1. Check your internet connection. Number 2. Disable firewall and antivirus. Number 3. Verify server status. Number 4. Use a wired connection. Number 5. Clear DNS cache. Number 6. Update network drivers. Number 7. Disable background applications. Number 8. Contact support. Prevention is better than cure. To minimize the occurrence of fail to connect errors, consider implementing the following preventive measures. Number 1. Maintain a stable network. Number 2. Keep your software updated. Number 3. Optimize your gaming system. Conclusion. The League of Legends fail to connect error can be frustrating, but with the right troubleshooting steps and preventive measures, you can conquer this challenge and get back into the exhilarating world of the Rift. Remember, persistence and a stable internet connection are key to ensuring an uninterrupted gaming experience. So summoners, fear not, connectivity issues shall not hold you back from dominating the battlefield. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.